a brand new hair straightener and curler that was just sent to me that I am super excited to test out. You actually get a lot more than just this. Look at all the tools you get. So these are the little clips it comes with. These are cool. Heat protectant glove ready to go. That's the cool travel bag. And let's do this thing. So let's see how it straightens it. Wow, it makes it silky smooth. Also, using it, you guys, so easy. On and off is actually down here, and this can adjust the heat amount. So it goes up to 450 degrees. Nice and sleek and smooth, good shine. Let's do this back piece, and then we'll do some framing layers around. So again, your kit comes with a comb, which is really cool. You get a little pamphlet here, how to do 2 different types of curling. Rotate the main body outward, half rotation. After the half rotation, ensure the hair tips protrude towards the back of the head. Move the hair iron slowly at the same speed while clasping the hair. Ah, there we go. Awesome product. I think it makes my hair look super shiny and amazing. And you can do these like front fun little waves with it as well. So super cool. When you're ready to turn it off, you just twist it right down here, off, right there. And now it's off. And then there's even a button here to lock it. So now it won't open back up on you. So you lock that into place, and then you have this little carry case that you can put it in so it doesn't like burn anything on your counter or anything like that.